I made an entire slide deck just using my voice, and it finished before I could actually hit record on Loom. In this video, I'm just going to show you how I quickly did it with an AI agent. I'm going to share this exact link for this AI agent in the description below so you can do this too. But this is absolutely amazing. All I did was gave it a voice prompt. And if you want to know exactly what I said to it, again, just comment below. I'll send over the exact prompt that I said to it. And here's the thing. It specifically, after I said that prompt, asked me, please upload a PDF presentation that you would like to reference as the theme and color scheme. So I did that. Once I have that, I will ask for the slide text next. I'm going to share this exact link for this AI agent in the description below so you can do this too. But this is absolutely amazing. All I did was gave it a voice prompt. And if you want to know exactly what I said to it, again, just comment below. I'll send over the exact prompt that I said to it. And here's the thing. It specifically, after I said that prompt, asked me, please upload a PDF presentation that you would like to reference as the theme and color scheme. So I did that. Once I have that, I will ask for the slide text next. I didn't read all that. I already had the slide text because over here I used chat I gave it a call script and said, can you make slides for me? And it made all the slides for me. Then I just simply copied it. Then I came back over here to Manus and I pasted that in. And I wanted to record this as it was processing all these, but I just couldn't turn on Loom quick enough. It did it all, essentially built this slide deck right here. This is amazing. It's perfectly matched to what I gave it. And check this out. I can download it as a PDF. I can send it to my drive. I could send it to my drive and make it into a Google presentation, or I believe I can launch it as a website and just host it on Manus. I'm gonna do a couple changes to this real quick because I just noticed that I really don't like how it's got the lead gen. I want it to look more like my hat. And then the other thing was I was scrolling through here and I was like, oh, this looks horrible. So I don't like that because it's supposed to convey if you stay on the same path, you go nowhere, you get the same results. And if you go on a new path, you get accelerated results. So let's just come over here and my Loom sharing is in the way, so I'll move that over. Here we go. All right, I noticed that the lead gen graphic at the top of each slide, where it says lead gen in pink, and then it has a black J. I want to change that. I want to drop the J. I don't want it to be there at all. And all I want you to do with that arrow is I want it to say lead gen, but I want the arrow to be on the top right side of the top of the N so that the N has an arrow pointing upwards. Then on a separate note, on slide 7, you have a graphic. And this graphic is absolutely horrible and does not convey the message. I want you to reread the slide, and I want the graphic to symbolize either somebody staying where they are with the same strategy and staying stuck, or using a new growth strategy and having growth. And it looks like it started doing stuff without my without me telling it to do stuff. So let's see what happens. Okay. See, it's thinking. At least you guys get to see like the process. I couldn't start this soon enough last time to even see the process. So redesigning graphic on slide 7. So let's see what it comes up with. Put me over here now. And here's the really interesting thing. Like you could be totally working on something else, like editing this video whatever it is while this is essentially developing an asset for you. It's crazy. I'm trying to use this for other things as well, to help me increase my productivity every day, like an AI assistant that's just out there doing stuff. Okay, it's working on the redesign. Here we go. Here we go. I'm excited to see if it can pull off the lead gen graphic in the top right corner. Taking a look at your changes, and when you modify the graphic, the SVG file, the graphic at the top, we need the N at the end of gen to have an arrow pointing upwards off of the right side of the N letter itself. Then on slide 7, you put a graphic that looks like a 5-year-old drew it. What I want is a graphic that symbolizes, if they stay with the same strategy, show a picture of a broken down, beat up car. And if they use the lead gen J strategy, show a really fast race car. Okay, check this out. It just popped up. I understand your feedback. I would like to refine the logo precisely the N of Gen and completely redesign the graphic on slide 7. So it's just listening to me, and it's checking for understanding. It's crazy. This is crazy. It's doing the research on what kind of car. Oh my God. Look at that. You saw it live. That's what it came up with, and you heard what I told it, right? That's awesome. Love it. I really like what it did with the cars, but it's not getting the lead gen thing right. So what I did is I took a picture of my hat, like a screenshot. Okay, I really want to refine that logo at the top left corner. I'm going to give you a picture of what the logo actually looks like, and I would like you to convert that text into what exactly the picture represents. Please upload the image. Okay, there it is. I just took a screenshot of my hat, actually, from a video. Didn't know else how to do it, so let's see what it can do. Thank you for providing the logo. I'll now refine the logo. Wow. Yes, I like how you discovered the distinctive upward arrow of the A in the word lead, and the A is missing the crossbar of the A in the middle. So it's just essentially a big arrow pointing up with no tail. Now the correction needs to be with on the N, on the head of the N, that line has to be extended going up with an arrow at the top of that line on the N. Please make these corrections. I mean, it's like talking to a kindergartner, right? Like, kind of got it right, but not right. We'll see what happens. You got to be patient. It was actually taking forever, so I just gave it another picture. It kept, I don't know, I couldn't figure out maybe what I was trying to get at, so hopefully it can read the picture. It says it's reading it. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, it's saying presenting updated. I closed it out because I was trying to look at each one of these and see the source code of what it was doing. And it was like trying to figure it out. Yeah, it messed it up. It was trying to figure it out. with font, and I don't think it can do it as a font. Yeah. Let's see what it actually looks like. Gotta move my face. Yeah, it got really confused there. Okay, let's make sure that we fix the graphic and just use the same exact font that the word lead is visible as, and just have Gen, Gen, and don't worry about making it custom. Just let it say lead gen. Please fix this in the upper left corner. See, this is what I was talking about. Like when I was looking at the code of what it was trying to do, it's trying to do it with a, see the font, and there's no way it's going to be able to do that. Like I'd have to probably tell it, hey, make me a graphic, and then, give it the actual graphic and in a vector format or something, and then just say, put this there. It's not going to be able to do it the way it's trying to do it. So I saw the code and I was like, we'll just change it back. So let's see here. If we want to just see what it came up with, we just click that. Yeah, see, it just fixed it because Cosmic Sands, it knows what to do, but trying to get a custom graphic. So one thing it was good at is it was able to do this, found me a beat up car, keeping somebody's the same strategy, as opposed to a new strategy, race car. So it's able to do that stuff really good, just wasn't able to actually create a graphic very well, which, I mean, come on, can't expect it to do everything for you, right? So, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just if you like videos like this, make sure you thumbs it up. I'd really appreciate it. And let me know in the comments what you decide to build.